You subscribe yet?
No, go on, man. I have to find the money, I know an idea. I have to find the money. I can call sister. We don't have a weed there, so can't smoke and no vibe.
Hi, big bro.
What go on, sis?
How are you?
I'm there and I give them a try. One a little vibe because, you know, there in a place I go and, I go and do a thing, but you know, it's Jamaica rough. You know, enough things are going on, I just can't understand why and I'm something, you know. But I don't know how you stay financially because, I don't want to borrow, like, you can send $100 or $150 come give me an idea. Because, listen.
I would love to send you the money.
But what?
Over here is rough as well.
What do you mean over there rough as well? I'm fine you there. America there, the land of the free.
Bro, I know. I have house rent. I have light bill. I have water bill. I have all the bills.
Who we are talking to?
Right now at
Sister,
home.
I talk to.
Marika! Sis!
What, I don't know why every time I talk to her, she just jump in and she not understand. Yo, take your phone, man, and talk to her, man.
Sister!
How are you? Who is Jamaica?
I am pharmacist when it coming to Jamaica, yeah?
I would love to come to Jamaica, but the plane fare is a lot, man.
Oh
I don't
my.
know. And I have a lot of bills over here.
So hold on, sister. If things are rough for you, I'm making you come back to Jamaica. Come back to your yard. Yo, go and talk to her.
No, bro, I'm not coming back to Jamaica. Even though in Jamaica you get a lot of stuff free. Like you can get breadfruit, you can get banana, you can get all those stuff. Over here you have to buy everything.
And that's why if you come back to Jamaica, sis, so you can eat up the good food, them. Kind of like you all suffer out there and we there, so Jamaica suffer. You can't even send $100. Lord God, my brother just a suffer, yeah, man.
Oh my God, I'm sorry to hear that. Oh boy. Right now I'm at work. You're lucky you called me on my lunchtime.
So no work you there. So how much money you spend for like your rent and so forth?
My rent is for $1,500 a month.
Is it 15 bills right now? 15 bills. If you work out in Jamaica, that is approximately 220,000 Jamaican dollars. That
you see?
I will need 100,000 for nice for you whole month, It just depends on if, because she normally buy falls here and sitting for 40,000, but you know, if a second now you can't. Sis, come on Jamaica, man.
Sis, you
Come
need to
back to your
come,
yard.
man. You need to come, man. You need to come to Jamaica, yeah?
Nobody tongue you can your sound good pan for you. You know what your tongue? Where your tongue from?
Guys, I'm sorry, but I have to get off the phone now. I'm at work, so when I reach home, I will call you guys back. But I will
Is there nobody
probably
call
think
back?
about it, but I'm not coming back to Jamaica.
Sis, me and my brother are gonna deal with something right now, so we call her back here. Okay?
Okay, guys. Love you guys. Bye.
Okay. Love ya. Never fail ya.
Yo, how is it that you go there foreign and broke and you say, and you work? That don't make no sense.
True, you know?
You down there foreign and broke?
No, you must be mad.
But me wonder why them keep on say things rough, and I want come back to your backside yard.
What barrel you get if I did me
Me
there
tell you,
foreign?
man.
You come nice, what barrel would I get? Me can't
Hundreds
believe
of thousands and send down here. Not true. Not true.
What you mean?
Me I say, man. But
Yeah,
one thing me I say still, yo, this sister, he sound like he must suffer over there. We have to help him out some way, somehow, to come back in yard. Because basically, it don't make no sense for here say one day something gonna happen to him and you know nobody over there if you can help him. If my suffer in the way how I explain to we. Eh?
True, cause not even $100 to say alright then. Let me send my brother 100 and send my sister 100. Nothing at all, we just
Alright,
there.
here I go and I tell you for now. You see money my borrow from you can't get it right now. You know it come for right now. You can't get it till Saturday. You understand me? I say nobody come bad me up, me not talking, no argument, me not cussing with you right now. Me not have it yet, that's why I call sister. And sister normally help me out once in a blue moon, but me not, don't look at me so.
So I'm asking one question. So you give her that there for free now? I sell it.
The girl them right now, they on the money, them broke.
So my customer them now, fi give me money and me take care of mine you. You fi sell it. Oh, tada. Anyways, you see true you are my brother. And I love you. Anything you want, that's fine by me. But just make sure so me get the money.
Yeah, I get the money, man. But as I say, just in time. Because
me
work out on that thing, you know. Alright, where you to start then?
Me not do nothing.
Oh, I wonder if your big friend that can make a flex. We make a flex, man. I see we can make a little dollar and thing. Because if we make a flex and make a dollar, push come to show we can help out for Sister America to come back to Jamaica.
Yeah, carry him down.
Because no man, I suffer, she suffer, you know. In a big land of the free America. Eh?
What should I do? I'll come here talk about who want go
Foreign.
Foreign.
Nobody want to go there.
Nobody want go there, must be mad.
You know what I mean? But why they know? It's like why she has that door every time and she still not come home. You know, it's like add up, sister. Yeah, you may look come on, you know.
You know what? Me that get kind of frustrated, you know.
Look come on,
Bro,
so
later, yeah.
I look come we chat, man. We talk.
Later.
The reason. Benji. Yeah, if I'm not, you come give me a link. Come I want to find out something for you first. I use a man not travel enough, you know, and things. So I want to know if we can have a talk with you. Come link with man, brother, me yard, man. See? Yeah.
What I go on, my general?
Me there, how things?
Yeah, man, I go on normal, you see it.
You in charge of that?
Yeah, man.
I go in charge, you good? How you mean, man? See you are going, bro. Sorry for calling us at the hours at the moment, you know what I mean? But can't afford to work here, bro. So now I have to go find next way for drive a truck or so. You understand? But the thing is this, you still have a visa?
Yeah, man.
Eh? When last you travel?
Travel last month, man.
Last month?
Yeah.
Mad. Can you hear? I might have one little thing for you to deal with me, you know. Because I think, one morning me there, I think about some things and I say, but I'm not going to talk now till we actually confirm what me I going to do. But apart from that, I just want to tell you, you know nobody have visa as well as you?
Eh?
Oh.
That was happen.
You have visa to be boss? Well, I was lucky. So I go to embassy and go in and sit, brother. Last time I go to embassy and try to get my visa, you know. By the time I reach up at the desk, I'm faint, you know. Say, man, them say, no, let him out. Because something is wrong. But I come like a signs at the time and I'm something. But here I go on. Remember money what thing they went give you one time? That Bringle.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can lend me that money there. Just for get through the month. And then we're gonna start you back when we get paid.
No problem, man.
Alright, so little more then we come link here and we see if we can collect the money. What you say?
Yeah, man.
That
Yeah,
good.
man, that good,
Yo,
man.
alright, to be honest with you now go on the thing. General, I beg you a second, see, because you know what I mean? I don't really remember like that, so I can't really tell you. Brother, I'm gonna tell you something, man. So when you come link me, you can't bug a man from me, dog. Brother, I smoke some brain chip sometimes.
No, man, I just see one, man.
Eh? No, but you can't tell nobody. If me say, yo, come link me, me expect you to come link me, bro. You can't come take man. Right now, I don't know who him be, you know. You understand me, I say?
I'm a dog for a long time, man.
I feel your dog enough for me, dog. Me don't know him. What if him back off of me? Eh? He not back off of you because I feel your dog. You know what I mean? So you are going now. Cause I see the right there, so I'm a chopper, you know. I just, as every time I'm looking at the house and looking at the house and looking at the house. Come on, know what you expect, brother. So you are going
man.
now.
Not for about nothing, you see me?
Not for about nothing.
No, man, you're not for about
At
nothing.
the time, about everything, brother. Everything I fret about and stress about. I want to know who and who. But
You understand still.
Yo, sorry if you really take up my problem for you, because this man got a phone call and it's just a mess. You understand me? I say it's a mess, so forgive me. But I'm money there. You come on, I come link a few.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Mayo, come here. How can I disrespect him like that? I run the man on me on the yard.
No, man.
I come the man like say man I sound like a boy. You don't know how my David, you know?
No, man, I
Yo,
don't really,
Benjamin.
this is still, you know.
Listen, man, you should tell me if I know if I disrespect him thing and go on and so because I'm not telling no disrespect for a young boy. You see, you look like a criminal, make sure.
No, man,
You better watch him and you better watch yourself. You know,
I
you find yourself. Yo, but when you're there, power under the man there, because man look like a criminal. If you're there on the man there,
No,
look like a
man.
criminal. Man, I come run me out of here like say, I this you want.
Yo,
I try
you
to
see,
play
well, I know.
this, you know.
Bro,
That takes so long to forward, man. How long me there wait for you?
hello, listen to me, don't worry me.
When me say don't hurry you. You make things sound weird sometimes. Some simple little things you always make a jar out and a go on that with a negative vibe. You know me impatient already. Eh? How long you know me?
I weed I get to your head.
Which weed? No,
Oh.
weed not get to my head. From morning I can't smoke. So hold on, the day you see me walk out and me a cut. Me not cut nothing, you know, me a cut in my head because me want some weed and me can't get none. Me not no money and people don't like to give people money to buy weed. You don't know why. Weed is life.
Where mommy get it from?
What you mean? Right out of which part you get you from? Where you come from?
Cause
I know where you come out.
something about it. You're just ignorant for
You
no reason.
just say that you have anxiety problem.
Okay then, well
You
keep
understand
an
what I say?
anxiety problem to yourself.
No, in this case right now, I care and I feel away. I feel away. Because you can't, they're foreign and can't send $1 for me. Eh? How you feel they're foreign and you say foreign a bed of roses. And I call you and say to you, say, help me get my green card. You say, brother, don't bother come up a foreign because what? Foreign hard, foreign tough. I say, all right, come back to your yard now. She don't want to come back to your yard. So how that work out?
Well, bro, me understand what they go on, you know. But you have to take it easy, my brother. You stress out yourself and mad out yourself overseas.
You mean, because she always good to me. She always good to me.
I know you alone, me too. But we can't take you up away like we're mad.
You know
we
what
have to focus.
I'm going to find a way to get her if you come back to Jamaica. You understand? I have to go find a way. Yeah, man. I feel say, I think of the plan, and I just have to execute it. You understand me? I say?
Bro, that would have good enough. Do it, man, bro. Do it.
Do it
That would have be good. Do it, man.
See your sister?
Yeah, bro. Do it, man.
Sister,
God would have bless you. Do it, man.
Do
it, my brother.
Man.
Make she come.
You can't. You're fine every time I say fine hard and tough. And you know, you can't come and over there to make my family name look bad. Eh? No people are going to say, poor broke foreigner, poor and bossy. That don't make no sense.
My brother, I say last night, me asleep, you know. And it just clicked back to me head on the on the phone with her. It stressed me out. It stressed me right out, my brother.
Look for you know, you can't even buy one phone. A good thing is me thief the phone, I don't have a phone right now. Eh? In the business, who me thief from can't come jerk me right now. I fire them there.
See it, I'll thief it on.
Oh, yeah, me I say. I gotta deal with it. I just want to make you know, say. I gotta make sure so she come back to Jamaica in a safe hands. Nothing I gonna do her.
Yeah,
She got
man.
alright.
Anything
me, I
what you
say?
have to do, just do it. Just
Yeah.
make she come
I
back
make one
out or
package.
so.
Yeah, that me I gotta deal with. So just we still not get through the money yet. Why you forget? So, but me think like alright. You must say I work, you know. From them 1,000 and I'm gonna buy one split. About 100 baht, 200 baht.
Boy,
Yes,
at this near live off.
busy.
Where say $1,000?
8,000 now. Me there wait, man. Go and keep and come back. Are you happy for you?
You have it for me.
If you rate, you know. I say me I do them thing of my sister, you know.
Well, listen.
Alright. That's so much $100 you have? How you do? I say me
One
I say
hard
sweetie.
$500 in there and $100 worth of five days. What wrong with you?
Yeah, but me I say so much sweetie. So much. Come like a sweetie I sell a roadside.
Right
But
now,
anyway, respect me. I'm grateful for it still. I'm not going like me not manners and respect.
I just want sis to come down.
That man, that was my brain right now. I just want to cool out, burn a one spliff. And just ease myself. You know what I mean? You know what I'm burn a spliff too?
Right now, talking about that, that bun one craving here right now.
No, I'm not getting a craving. No cigarette smoking. No.
Alright, you weed then. What you say?
Yeah, we deal with it. But you not get none of this money. So if you have money, you can put money to buy. So it's a money book out. So we don't buy for you. You don't tell you what going on. I can't deal with it, you know. Yo, look at more you sis.
Alright, later. Walk safe, yeah?
Alright!
And if you can't say you're sorry when you're on that knee, sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our faults. Cause if you say you're strong, then you have to take a look in your faults. Now make your pride and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better day. Better day. A better day. Better day.
I'm here with a vibes, no, brother. Yo, you're at your school over, you know, so under the affluence or influence. Wow, Jesus! That I think, my brother. Yo, your house have the highest thing, then, bro.
So I go on for money, I know. I go on for money, I know. Because I'm on a quick rush, you know.
Brother, you have to understand, say, you know. Alright, so, a usual price, sir?
A usual price said way. You say you want more kush, I bring more kush come.
Never want so much.
So you know like when the product there enough, man, no more money that, man.
But
So
me
you
never-
tell me say you don't want so
But
much.
me never want so much, because you are going now.
Just give me money, I'm push, you know. Because I'm kind of on a little rush.
Because me never want so much.
How this, sir? Bad man, how this, sir?
Wow, boy.
A gas sick come here, say, you know. You feel like say a water go in there?
Alright, you are going. Man, I dropping money on the ground, brother. You can't drop money on the ground. If them a time, you know.
That's $300 that I'm going to do with that.
Alright.
That not even can go in my tank.
So me can't owe you, brother. You make it sound me can't owe you a regular business we do, you know.
No, say so, man. You can't owe me. When me a forward them, you know, me not tell us me a owe you and I product them and none of them short, you know. You want them when you say you want type me carry come. Me not carry less. So me not understand how now when me forget my money, you tell me different something. I waste, you make me waste my time come here, you know.
Alright.
So watch you know, like how you not give me for that. That's why me go and hold back the product yeah, until.
No, man, you can't. No, me can't go allow. Alright, here we are. Look how fire come from, brother. Alright, see over there, there.
Yo, now worry yourself, me must catch you. Because you go want more product.
say, girl, then you could tell me say so pinky she maga done.
What of you look if a girl a lose
No,
weight and shit?
no. You know, his sister gone foreign. His sister used to send them money. I know it have send them money. Now, one a drink, one look like me. I wonder. I ask you something for other day. Other day me I come from work late up in the night around 1 o'clock in time then. I say Pinky I walk close to the bridge. I said myself up there.
To tell you the truth, I would have asked you the same thing.
You tell me yes.
I saw me here do. So me no know. If I saw you go for true.
Me see girl I walk close to the bridge. I know when I know when people know say I hit you but I hit you. Me see him walk close and my side and my go on with himself and I want a little piece of sitting up under there so.
I don't know, me have to go find out that the tour
And then feel man him now. They smoking. They drinking. Yeah, I'm still there.
Oh, that the cross is there? Oh.
Hey man, top color man.
Listen to
me.
me.
You love him man and I go on like.
Listen, me tired of the scent when they carry. Me don't like it.
Kind of sense.
Like he smoking and he drinking, he think around every day. From morning light till night. Appear around weed and something.
When me get to understand now, true, this is the stop sending money come down here. So now, then it come like then turn papa. One guy sell and one, I don't even know if you call him. Where I call you now? What word me I look for? You know people that will drink and smoke like then just turn themselves on way man. What word
turn workless man?
Whatever you want to call him. Look like he just turn workless because pass him down the road already and I see him nearly turn over.
You know, me tired of them the lifestyle. Me tired of it.
You do love him man. But you as a man broke down, you want to relieve him man. You should have helped the man and give him the career. You know? Give him something.
Stop doing something. No make nobody hear you say that. No do
but
that.
I
never money me there with him for.
No, you're not there with him for money, but what like in a time now. Remember he have money and him give you money, you know. And he reach a point where he broke now. You could have helped him out back.
You know, get what me I say. The man is so addicted to drinking and smoking till he
slap him in the head, he must learn. Why man beat him? He have to learn.
Enough for him
Look
now.
how you big.
Girl, enough of that now. What that me say? Me no want to hear about him right now.
Yeah,
why your problem?
Yeah, catch back feelings though.
Why your problem? You're fast in people business too much.
I don't me ask you cause Pinky now. A Pinky me a talk about. Why she look so other day she did put on like a weight. And for the money top send. Why she look so nice?
Maybe nothing go on for her and they sit there, me no know.
But you one time sister-in-law, you can talk to her and see if she will change her. You look for me like you want to talk me in my mouth. What happened?
Because you just love people business. That's why me I look for you, so. If it have your man.
Ask you something. If you love people business, you there, so? You would have come here, so?
Listen.
You don't tell me say something to do.
No, me think of money business you call me.
Move over mix up. You know see me all about mix up. That's why you come down. You know me not no money figures. So you know you go on so.
Hello? Listen, alright. I can't really talk right now, but me will call you back. You see that? Alright, stay right there, so yeah. Me go send her come. Alright. No man, I want my friend.
You trying to find man already?
No.
A man you find?
Everything you chat about man, I want my friend.
So well and there, so I kind of you know me I go chat, that's why you don't want to tell me. You know boy just left as can't you. That's if you left.
You can't call up my name so me a new man. How many know where you chat about now? Me tell her say I want my friend.
So let me see friend.
Did want me do something for her.
So what you
me send somebody to her. Yes.
To her.
To
I asked me to send her come. Are you
yeah.
You're too lie man. Look how long my friend you don't know that tell lie.
Anyways, me I go match up her one crime and come back.
Yeah, big of yourself. Match up one man and come back. One.
Listen.
One man, come in one man I go check.
sister, me I tell you say the best thing if you do right now. Yeah man, something gonna work out, you know. Come back here, yard, man. Me I tell you, me alright. Yo, this morning me get up and me just have it on my mind, cause me I say to myself, so me can't understand. Why is it that? Hold on, cause boy, sometime, you don't know. Yesterday one thing go on. I look for something I can't find now. Alright, so here I know. What go on now? Me go organize something for your sister. And you have it.
No,
Yo.
you know some of that catch you down.
No man, I'm a virgin man. Alright, sister, I'm soon call. I'm soon call back. Yo.
What
Brother,
me tell you say yesterday?
over $700.
Me see friend a kill them friend for close pin.
Yeah, lighter.
So you no ramp with my thing. Me no forward for that right now. And my money me forward for. What me tell you say yesterday I run go better.
Alright, come go for money. Money on yard. See, I'll pick me and watch it.
No man, I saw you do me yesterday, man.
So no, alright. Hold on for the cigarette there.
Me no want no cigarette. Come on, I don't get yard I go for money. Cause you know me no ramp, I buy that expect down.
7 bills, brother.
Come on man, come on my money for my cushion.
Alright,
You know me no ramp, you know.
Yo, start your deal, brother. 7 bills? Nah, man. I know we can't get a lighter. Man, this.
What you say? Can you just a call down my phone, so? What you want?
What you say, me want? How you me want? You make it sound like me you left. Me you can't left. You know what you talk about? We'll never left. So all the hype where you coming with and all them something there, me don't know that gonna work out.
Me done tell us me you left.
Yes.
And that me mean. What you call me over here for?
I left out to come back. That is what you do. All me say to you is this. Me had a rough day. I'm gonna really want to look a company for somebody who genuine around me. If you know, give me a look at energy, because I like your vibe, I like your energy. Come closer now.
Me no drama with you.
Are you walking the lighter?
Walk with which lighter? You ever see me a smoke? Give me this.
When me say if me ever see you smoke, where will you tell me say me really say? So I know you name here. You what? You know there again. So what? You forget everything what you used to go on here. When me you go dance and you jump and you jiggle up and you drink your rum and you smoke. Me no hear you talk nothing about no smoking is a problem.
That different. When you drink and smoke, occasionally that's different. You get up every day, morning, noon and night, you drink, you smoke. Me tired of it, man. Me tired of it.
So, you don't understand. Every time I come in and you try to get a hug from you, you push me off.
Me not like his scent pan you. The smoking and the drinking, me not like his scent.
What mean you like his scent? You need to smoke and drink too. So when you smoke and drink, you enjoy the scent. Because you see, I want to learn that when people no smoke and drink, them have a problem with the scent. Me not have a problem with the scent because me under the influence of that. So me not smell as a problem. I best you tuck in your nose right now and smoke one puff out of you, alright.
So me if you adjust to your lifestyle, why you can't adjust to my lifestyle?
No, I am high, you down. When we smoke, me high.
Where you call me over here for? Where you say about your sister?
I don't understand. The sister, one thing I go on with her, she has suffer for it. Yeah, she has suffer. Like nothing I go. Every time I call her, I sit to her and say, give me a $50, give me $100. He must say to me, say, you ain't no money. And I say, you really a big foreigner and suffer? What can go so? Eh?
Things can go so for true. Wow. So what you say? What you say?
Me I say to myself, say, you remember the bike out of your yard? But the uncle not really ride it because in their prison. You know if me can borrow it. I'm just for 2 days. Come on, I make a little try.
Borrow it?
Yeah,
for 2 days?
Just for 2 days.
Fi go away?
This semester, I want to go up a country. But see if I can check. So my other cousin them, if ask them what they think about the situation, and that is the reason I'm on by the bike. Nothing wrong. I don't even want to insure your license.
So you want me to lend out people bike? Lend
You
you?
want your jail in that, so you not use it. You want the bike right down there that you want to do?
I bet a man bike rotten down. Same place where you left your data tan.
No, don't do that. Please, don't do that. As bad as things be, you know, come closer now. Watch ya. Not at all. But I don't understand what going on. Show off. You're hyped today. Your belly full.
Me hype today.
Your belly full.
And that alone I can't remember.
Basically, but me I said to myself, say, me I come link you forget the bike.
I don't know about that. I don't know about
Just
that.
work with me, no, man. Let me go deal with business. I don't care about it's not them. Am I not a trustworthy person?
No. Not when you're under the influence of rum and weed.
I'm a top smoke, I'm gonna stop drinking today. So tomorrow I'll come watch me your man.
No. So when you decide to stop smoke and drink permanently, then you can call me.
So you go to cigarette.
You're not smoking.
So I sell it. It's alright. I'm going out. It's alright. You not force okay, yo.
It's alright, you go and call me next time and I'll show you so I'm not come no way.
What do you mean call next time? Me a come for your bike. Welcome to the
Yo.
Welcome.
Why pray?
Tia send me for the key for the bike.
When you come in our yard, man, you have to call me, man.
I call from we out the sun, me no use no response.
Pray, me, I pray, man.
Yeah, pray.
Where's it now?
The key for the bike, because the bike our uncle bike, I'm sure.
Hold on, which one bike you have? This one or this one?
This a bike, this a one.
So who's in the key?
Tia.
Can't just key, so me have to go call him.
No, I first you see me?
No, me see one and a few times.
Yes, so me I say Tia send me for the bike and me and Tia they together, you know. You understand me? I say how long and you know things kinda get sour, but we back again. But she said if you carry and give me a key.
So hold on, you now wait till you would come from jail.
No man, no, that man she said if you go and cause you know, I need to go up a country, go grab some stuff and then come back down.
Oh, so you go grab some stuff for the person that jail?
Not for the person that jail. For me.
For you? You sure?
What do you mean say me sure? So I go left me way all from around so you must say a place I'm living in. London.
Alright, this a bike you want? This a bike you have to be a key. I mean I have to call him.
No, you have to call her. No man, brother. You know time you have known for a long time, you know you with trustworthy like that. So go for key.
Alright, me a forward. Where is it? This one or this one?
This one. Murder.
Where is it? You sure so I have to call him?
No, I never call him, man. I don't feel about it. Alright.
Public! Alright, you don't want answer? Long run short catch. Car back him on bike. No one you know. Get up.
You know how could have caused this? Where you there? Where you my brother now?
Your brother thief. Sorry. Listen to me. Other day, imagine your brother ask me if borrow my family bike, you know. And now the bike missing. Your brother thief.
Hey. Stick up in there, so. My brother, thief bike. No, girl, don't do that. Don't do that. You see, me and my brother know about we have money, girl, can stone our dog. Worst how we sister they are foreign. Don't do that in a brighter place again. You see, I look at my juice, I buy back to you now.
My business is not just time, man. Bite me a chat board.
Come out of my yard.
Come out of which yard?
Go out of
You take a big store like me,
You can't call me brother thief. Come out of my yard, girl.
Your
You're
brother
very out of order. I
thief
said that hot me, man. I said you hot me till me want buy. You can't go come brother thief. Girl, don't do that again. Don't do that,
Listen
man.
what me I tell you.
Come out of my yard.
24 hours me
Come out
I
of my
go
yard,
to bring
me
back
say.
him man bike, you know.
Hey, girl, they say, if you can't touch me, me lick half your face, you know.
Chatting to you.
Make sure take up this out of my yard because I'm not little. Make sure. Public! Right, I sit now, boy. Open the door, man. You look a thief, yo. What do you mean by a thief bike? You're too thief, man. You're too thief. Tia come up on my yard, come and tell me, see a thief bike.
Sister, relax, no man. You have to understand what I want. You understand why you're going to you know me? You know your brother? You know your brother?
We are suffer your thief. Where your thief for?
Fit, get riches, fit, stay up, fit, can't buy this, we can't do this.
Hey.
I don't know thief. Come on. I know thief. I borrow the bike from her. And the owner of the bike, they are jail, they now come back you know. So me not have to go and like me for oil and buy back and pay for the bike.
You see when they come murder you?
Murder who?
So come in.
Let us for murder.
Me iron no. You're too thief.
Sister, listen what I say. You want my sister to come out. I'm not thief. Me tell you I borrow the bike. But me make a money if you go start a one thing because I want to get enough money to do certain things. You understand what I say? Bear with me. I want to start smoke.
You don't see me stress.
Stress me
I want my sister to come down. Me stress out.
That
sufferation dey for me stress.
So that we are talking about. So we are going like in the understand you come bang and you doing this.
But me not thief.
So what you come
Me not thief. Thief in my DNA. Thief in a fear DNA. You too thief.
What she come and say?
So you thief bike.
Me not thief. No. Listen. Use the ears and the ears too little. Open them and listen. Me no thief no bike. Me borrow the bike, but me just sell it because me want the money. We go do what we are do. We go just start one little thing. Understand, no, sister? Relax, man, and go on. Hey, come here, one little link up with you them.
So I borrow it?
I borrow it.
I give them.
No, me I give her back.
Oh, alright.
By the time me uncle come out of jail, you will get back your bike.
Alright, sorry, Felix, here.
I tell you, ever trust my sister.
Alright, later. Later, bro. Love you.
Alright, love you too. Yeah. Me have the first deposit. See? Yeah, man. 450,000. Me have the first deposit. So me can. What do you mean you can't forward? You have to forward. Yeah, man. Forward right now, man. Me don't pan for me ends, but right now I want to look a shop. It's easy to walking distance, man. For you pass my yard, so I'm good on more about maybe 30 meters. I am there. Yeah, me now want. Me want peach shirt, not pink. Peach shirt. Yeah, peach shirt. Yeah, man. Me down there. Alright? Yeah, manners.
Wagwan.
Yo, so what's shot, man?
The man up a yard and send him to me to collect his information and done payment.
Alright. I'm full of reason that. Sister. She did on Florida.
Yeah.
See? They got go to all of the information by its phone in regards to her location and her number. So what we want to do because she know she afraid and she don't want to come back to Jamaica by herself like that. So we have to help her out. You understand? Because
Help
she
her how?
if you bring her back to Jamaica, one way how she not go, you know what I mean? Because if she now do it by herself, so we have to help her. You understand?
So what we do?
We want to go over there, maybe put one little something over her nose and knock her out and bring her up on
Well,
the boat.
how can I think that,
Remember
man?
short man say you have a boat. You have a
Yeah,
boat
we have
connection.
boat.
Yeah. So I don't want to go up on a plane. Just jump on the boat and bring
So
her out.
yeah, tell you if you go over there, go kidnap your sister.
Yeah.
And carry.
Because listen, man, if you understand, you know, every day me call her, she say over there bad and she has suffer and she not make no money.
If she has suffer, she over there, she don't want to come out there. Make she turn over there and
No,
suffer.
man, my sister, man. What you need to understand is she can't afford no ticket. You understand? And then if you tell her she not buy one ticket, she not gonna take a ticket. So me have to do it that way. So that way you gonna make everything work.
She not stubborn.
She's stubborn. She's stubborn when she don't come here talk about. No, that's her problem.
No, like stubborn people, you know. But anyways.
And the next thing is, you know, make sure you pass on the message to Sharp Man, you know. Because at the end of the day, I don't really know you. You understand what I say? And based on me know you, I not go tell you, say, boy, are you in charge of this thing? So make sure the Sharp Man understand what I go on and him do what I do. You know what I talk about, right? Benji, right?
Yeah,
because yeah. So
sometimes I can't work with him like that because he's talking too much.
Here we are going now. My just don't hurt my sister.
Nah, I heard that.
I don't want no say when do something to her and disappear. Because
Okay,
I go fine, you know, I'm sorry about that thing. If you go on like me a bad man, but me a bad man, I go fine, you know, do. Because as this a thing here, I sell me say, yo, well, you have another part there. So yeah man, the money there, I go on the money, I go on half of the money. And when we go to half of the money here, when I get the next half, when I drop her off at my yard in a full piece, like, you know, nothing missing off her. No malfunction, no nothing.
How she malfunction?
Based on owner or maybe butter. I don't want to do nothing to my sister, sir.
We're not kill her, man.
So yeah, so it's like right now.
We're not kill her if
help
it's not
her
necessary.
to come back to Jamaica. That is her. When she come back to Jamaica, she go start her back her life and life go good again. Guys. As we say, she has suffered. You understand?
I understand, man.
Alright. Me I go for the money. See? And when we go for the money and give you, make sure Sharp Man get the money. Alright? So when you get the money now.
Some food Sharp Man will have money.
No, I'm in charge. I no business what I want to do, you know, but I just want to know say you drop off money. I call him and confirm that. Alright? Yeah. So you want to know. Now drop it off. See?
More make sure say you know mess up this, you see me? You see them, man. Yo, see how you have a thing, you have a curtain. Don't take you to your pocket, you idiot. You something funny? Ah, cool.
Hi guys.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
You
too.
good?
Yes.
This is my partner, you know.
Hi.
So still, you know, your brother sent me some things for you, you see me? And I want to make sure you get it, you see me?
Okay.
Suitcase.
Okay.
Listen, man.
Oh dear.
So I just want to make sure you get it in them.
Yeah, but I could have what my brother said.
Why you Brother, what you do too much I think you put on the thing, brother. See girl now, we come back in kill the girl, charge it.
No, man.
Yo, if
So
she
we-
dead, you know, me sorry for you, you know. Cause me not take no blame for you, you know. Come and tell us a little tip. And you like a kid. I like, oh, what makes you now wake up? Why you now wake up?
Maybe probably true me keep it too long.
She not dead. We have VR and chill though.
You know, so she not did no overdose. She overdose.
Get up, man. Get up. Oh, I fire one man get fire. You just say I play dead. Get up, man. Welcome to Jamaica, land of food and water and food and everything.
Where am I?
Mama,
What?
Jamaica, you're there. Awa, you're surprised. Look, you smell the cool breeze. Look, you see all them boats and all them things. Mama, you're Jamaica. Stop all can eat that, no? Yeah, awa. Mama, you know say you suffer. I help you, you know.
What you mean, boy? You help me?
Mama, I know we have to thank your brother. Your brother send me
My
for
brother?
you.
What?
Mama, stop
Where's my
chat.
brother?
Why you
Where's
raise your
my
brother?
brother?
Me no love man. They say I come not like him. Me not ask me for no man.
So why
Your
the-
brother say if you come here, if you collect money. So mama, don't make it harder than it is. You're there so about, where's my brother? How what?
How me reach Jamaica?
Where you see? Boat, no? I see you come to Jamaica.
You
Mama,
must be
listen to me.
crazy. You're mad?
How what can I? Yo,
You
we
feel
can kill
who
her.
come
We can
to
kill her.
Jamaica?
You see, if I name me money, me kill you because you chat too much. Get up. Get up where can you go where you have to go? Come
Who
on, my
is
money.
this?
Get up now. Get up. Mama, don't give me no heart attack and me kick you down. Alright. Take up your suitcase.
That is how you deal with a lady?
Mama, you know you better do me, you better run me out of here like me and some because. Go on here, man. Go on. We're not much chatting. Go on, man. Sis! Come here.
Don't touch me.
What?
How dare you?
What you mean, how dare me?
How dare you?
Sister.
Stop touching
Mama,
me.
Jamaica, you dey stop talk so.
What the hell?
What the hell,
wrong
what
with
the
you?
hell,
Go
what?
to your yard or something.
Go to for yard.
Alright,
Yo, my job done.
no,
Some take a sister
listen,
and
just
give me
relax the
money.
man. Yo, I am in the
Take my,
business.
take your phone.
Give me my phone.
My phone.
You see if I need your sister alone, me like how that.
Easy about that.
Me nah come back on do no more mission.
Everything in that box, yeah.
Me nah do no more mission for you.
Yo, go on, man. Everything good, man. Respect and manners. Thanks. Yo, shot, man. Big up yourself, you know.
Shall if you must see. You say I feel me everything in this.
No, well, go on. You see me give me it good, everything good. Sis,
Alright. Nice meeting you, yeah?
but wait, me not understand. So why you so upset?
What you mean? Why am I so upset?
Me
I
save you.
can't believe you. Save me from what?
What you mean say from what? From poverty. You know, see I suffer foreign.
Oh.
Your brother is here for you. What you talking about? You enjoy this,
My job
the
is
boat ride?
very important right now.
What you mean important?
And if you let me lose that job,
Mm.
I will cut you off clean as a brother.
What you mean cut me off
Believe me.
clean as a brother? You see you ungrateful, you know?
I'm
A
not
pe-
ungrateful. Don't tell me that
Sister,
I'm
so you
ungrateful.
see I suffer over a fine. Now that you tell me point blank, every time I call if you even $100 you can't afford it. But you can afford $1,500 rent. You understand? Everything go alright.
That
Come
is
in.
not your business.
You-
I'm not coming. What is wrong with you?
I don't. You know, say first box I get in my lifetime. Sister, you and is that everything good? Sleep with us then.
I should come to Jamaica and sleep outside when I don't me bring myself here. That makes sense.
What do you mean if that makes sense? What are you talking about? Where's the bag? Tomorrow I'll make a meet up, your sister and everybody. Come.
No, I have to get the first flight back to where I come from.
Pay feet.
I can pay for it.
So hold on. Sister, I trick you, trick me.
You think I can't pay for my plane fare? I just don't want to come back to Jamaica. Look at the place. Look at this filthy place you want to bring me here.
Yeah, this is alright, you know what? Never call Pinky. I mean, she understand what I'm going. I can't believe you. You see you, a people like you.
I was packing a barrel to send
Pack
here.
which barrel?
I was packing 2 barrels to
Which
send
pack,
here
which barrel?
to you guys.
Pack barrel food for me?
Yes.
For me? You is a liar and wicked.
Sis! Sis! Awa, so you're not happy to see me?
No, I don't. I don't. Because I can't believe you and your brother put up to this foolishness, this nonsense.
What? What you talk about? Which nonsense? Which foolish? Sis, what you talk about?
You don't know? Of course you know. How you don't know some there so then?
Sis, because me get the news say you arrive. He say he must send for you, buy a plane ticket and send for you. So what you talk about? You say you left me in a suspense, yeah, man. Tell me what you talk about now, sis.
What kind of plane ticket?
Jesus, you ask me a question and me I ask you. Lord God. You ask me now and me I ask you, sis. Oh, that now go work. 2 questions can't.
I guess you don't know what your brother have done. Because your brother send man on board for me overseas. I don't have none of my documents them. I don't have my passport, I don't have my ID, I don't have nothing. I don't even have cash on me.
Sis, stop telling lie. Sis. Blood of Jesus again, someone. Stop telling lie. My brother. No, few brother. Send man over there. Why too much problem in that one? Sis, talk to me good. What on there? No, you say the see me not turn idiot. The man says no, you say the over foreign and so far.
Who tell you that I'm suffering? Huh?
Sis, what? What?
I say stuff. That doesn't mean I mean it. You understand? We say things.
So what on there? All this while they are foreign. And me and brother beg your money because we are suffer out here. You know they suffer?
No. You think you not pick me? Or not big people? One mama for to take care of you? You're crazy.
Go on back over. Go back over.
I wish I could.
What you mean by lucky for you? Go back over. Me have to see my brother now. You're very ungrateful. You're ungrateful. You remember what we cock up in a one piece of matches box. You remember them the life there? You remember them the life there? You remember when we eat dumpling? Hey, you see you? Go back over. You're an ungrateful sister. Me can't believe it.
You subscribe yet?
Action. Brother, you have to understand, say, alright, so, a usual price, mister?
A usual price said way. You say you want more kush, I bring more kush come.
Never want so much.
So you know like when you product there enough man, no more money that man. So you tell me say you don't want so much.
Never want so much because here I go on now.
Just give me money and push it now, because I kind of depend on the look around.
Because I never want so much.
How this? Bad man, how this?
Wow.
A gas sick come here saying. You feel like say a water go in there?
Alright, you are going. Man, I drop money for the ground, brother. You can't drop money for the ground. It's them a time, man.
$300 that I'm going to do with that.
Look how fire come from, brother. Alright, see what they are there.
My foot too bad.
Back and Mr. Hey, how long will I run? It's going quicker. Yo. Yeah. Wow. And action.
Brother, one, what you do? How much I see you put for that? See girl now, we come back, kill a girl, charge it. Yo, if you dead, you know, it's sad for you, you know. Come in and tell them, be a pain, you know. Come and tell us a little tip, and you're like, I kill you. I like, oh, why is she now wake up? Why is she now wake up?
Even a perfect true, make it too long.
Brother, anyway, she dead, me say.
One more, Mike. Back, come to the mic.
Oh, come to your mic.
Yeah. Ready? And action. Sis, come here now.
Don't touch me.
What do you mean don't touch you?
Are you crazy?
What do you mean am I crazy?
You're the mad.
Shaman!
You don't just
Silent, me a shoot.
hold on 1 second. See me, sir, see me, sir. Shaman and son.
Me a shoot.
Fire, give me 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Yes. Ready? And action.
How dare you?
What do you mean how dare me? Sister.
Woman, Jamaican, they stop talking.
What the hell wrong with you? Go to your yard or something.
Go to for yard.
Alright,
Yo, Jack, God, no.
listen, just relax the man. Yo, I am in the business.
Hey, take your phone.
Give me my phone.
My phone.
You see if your sister alone like that.
Easy, bad girl.
Everything in that box, eh?
Me nah do no more mission for you.
Yo, go on, man. Everything good, man. Respect a man, stands. Yo, shot, man. Big up yourself, you know. See?
You say I feel me everything in that.
No, when you go on. When somebody give me it good, everything good. Sis.
Nice meeting there.
Oh, wait. Me not understand. Me not understand. Why you so upset? Boss. Get your microphone, come here and go on, shot, man. Mike, shot, man. What's a shot, man? Tall, man. Your microphone? Fam, you like? And it's about on the phone. Yeah.
What is wrong with you?
You know, say first box never get in my lifetime. Come on again. Jesus,
You make me laugh.
now I'm gonna try my best, but I couldn't hold it. Ready? And action. Drive a truck or so. You understand? But the thing is this. You still have a visa?
Yeah, man.
Eh? When last you travel? You remember?
No, I remember.
You have to say yeah, man. You have to say, yeah, man, I traveled last week or last month. You understand? Ready again? Action! Yo, when last you travel?
Travel last month, man.
Last month?
Yeah.
Mad. Can you hear? I might have one little thing for you to deal with for me, you know.
Good thing you go check here.
Brother, me always double check, triple check. And action!
Yo, now worry yourself, I must catch you. Because you go want more product.
Perfect. So brother, like, run so. Yeah,
Like
that's
keep
all.
it like to say you want one good scene, man. So you ain't seen a start.
I tell you, can you better scene that?
Have you seen when it start?
The better scene. So that's a sis. But wait, no, you say when you're foreign and suffer.
Yeah, this one, yeah.
Let's see how go. Alright, ready? Action! Talk to me again. Sis, talk to me. Say it about. Action!
Sis, talk to me good. What hold on there? No, you say the oh. See me a ton idiot, the man sis. No, you say the over foreign and suffer. I mean, love this in there again.
Ready? Well, I'm going to close it. So far. All right. Action. Action.